Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Dragy Meme Coin. It's easy to get this token. All you need to do is simply open up your Chrome browser. Once you've opened up the Chrome browser, log on to coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video. Now once there, we're going to be purchasing the Dragy Meme Coin by simply scrolling down and copying its Solana address. Once the address has been copied, minimize and open up the Phantom wallet. Make sure your Phantom wallet has been set up. Open up the Phantom wallet. Make sure you have some Solana, that's mainnet Solana, on your wallet. If you do not have mainnet Solana, simply deposit from a centralized exchange. And once you've been able to get yourself some Solana tokens on your wallet, all you need to do now is head over to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply click on the Jupiter DeFi option. Select Jupiter DeFi. Once you've selected Jupiter DeFi, click on Connect Wallet, select Phantom Wallet, and simply connect your account to the Jupiter platform. So once you've connected your wallet, where we have the USDC to Solana, switch their places so it's Solana to USDC, and then the drop down at the bottom of the screen, click on this drop down and simply paste the address we just copied. Once the address has been pasted, all you need to do is quite simple. Click on the token, which is the Dragy Meme Coin. So select the Dragy Meme Coin, click on Confirm Selection. And now we're going to be working with some Solana tokens. So enter an amount of Solana tokens you wish to convert into the Dragy Meme Coin. So I'll be using $1. Click on Swap, simply accept or confirm. So once you've clicked on Confirm, the transaction becomes processing and it's been confirmed. Now, if you head over to the wallet section, perform a simple reload, you'd find that your Solana token has been used in exchange of the Dragy Meme Coin. Here we go, the Dragy Meme Coin. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.